Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing a preview for February Patreon for 2024. So I am not going to put the link for this video for the miniatures I'm going to be looking at because I'm probably looking again on part 2 due to the fact that it is like the beginning of the month and not a lot of previews are out till the following week. So be looking at what's coming up and and what to expect and so forth for this Patreon video. So we'll be looking through the recent home and scroll our way down. We might see some videos. I'm gonna say the names of these Patreon. Pause the video to see the name and Google it, and you can go see what they have uh, for it. But please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get going. So we have forgot her name from Naruto. Io, I believe. But this is the Slooty version if you're into that. And we have Thiefling for Bite the Bullet. That's 3D Mono G for it. And we got Thiefling for Bite the Bullet. We'll see a video of that. We'll see the video again on the following stuff as well. So, here's your Thiefling set. And I have a lot of Thiefling STL files. I do need Halfling and freaking Gnomes. No one listens to me. No one likes me. Oh, this is the kids from the Baldur's Gate 3. Let me check. Here, yeah, kids from Baldur's Gate 3. The one that freaking pickpockets your shit and everything else in the druid's circle. So that's kind of cool. We have an artificer thiefling. I'm surprised they didn't make a Karlak one. That might be. I don't know. So yeah. The spear. Cleric thiefling. Yeah, it looks like a rogue thiefling. A bard thiefling. Paladin thiefling. A wizard or a sorcerer thiefling. There you go, Karlak. You're gonna get Karlak as the exotic. And I'm gonna skip this because I don't want to get demonetized with titties, Karlak's titties. But yeah, let's see here. We got dark. We a lot of stuff you guys haven't seen on the Patreon because I don't know how you guys are like into much of the terrains or like Star Wars type miniatures as well. I do like Star Wars, the old ones, not the newer ones. The last three ones are like, yeah, Twi'lek, Clone Trooper. I don't know why because wearing a clone armor, Vigilant miniatures, Dryad bust. I might want to relook at that. I do need some Dryads or nymphs. February preview for the Dragon Tapper's Lodge. So we have a Gen. It's like a sea dragon and a shark and a lobster make love to each other for it. What's this crossover? Legend of Grimm. Huh. That'd be interesting to look at. Might be in the next one. I think. Oh, this is a Kickstarter. This looks like a Kickstarter for. Oh no, one page. That's one page. My Mini Factory. Oh, this is a tribe. Okay, I'll take a look at that, and I might show it to you guys. Who knows? GM 3D figure. We got Rama 1/2. If you don't know that, I mean, that tells me how old I am. There's a Hinata's Child. Don't know really. Himawari Uzumaki. RN Studio. We have the Western RPG Volume 6. These are the dwarves from Lord of the Ring cartoon. Yeah, if you don't know about Lord of the Ring cartoon, there you have it, Lord of the Ring cartoon, and you have Monster Hunter. Hell, forget where she's from. I know she's also in hell. My mind's up like Kingdom Hearts. Do not know where she's from. I know these two are from um, um, Monster. What's that? Hero Quest. Hero, yeah, not Hero Quest. My mind's a blank. Duncan Shadow. We got some ugly looking orcs or ogres. I think these are ogres. Ugly looking ogres. Yeah, ogres. Anime Girl STL. This is the update, what they have for their figures. Let's see here. That's January release where we looked at that. We looked at that. Yeah, it's just a lot of random like updates and shit for a lot of other stuff. Ronin Art Studio. Hana Bunny, your pinup piece. And we have, four heroes you can use 35 millimeter, 54 millimeter range. Let's see, Great Grimoire. This is February release. You can see what they have as well. So it looks like we're getting demons. That's actually a pretty cool looking model right there. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. The Grimoire Fantasy. This is something that you should probably get. Azure giveaway. This is, that's already looked at that. This is one we haven't looked at, Dragon Lake Miniature. I might start getting this because it actually ties with the Aegis Warhammer Sigmar and Old World. And I know you can use some of the Warhammer Sigmar miniatures in the Old World for it. So you have your Chimera and your Dwarves. And you see the Lizard Folk and stuff like that. So yeah, I might get it. These are the ones I usually get. If you want free minis to print, MZ4250, these are all free and you can print them. You even got Gusterion as well that you can 3D print for your game. Warp Miniatures, this is their preview. I got Nazgul on a vulture for it. January release giveaway. Black Remnant, if you're into Star Wars. You get the Wookiee with a, I think that's a Vorpal sword as well. Looks like some of the guys from the, I forget what they're called. But yeah. Dragon Collector, if you want to get the Bat Mage. And this is X-Men Minis. Obelisk. And if you get the patrons for it. Forgot his name from Persona 5. And his persona. Do not know her. Miniature Blueprint, February for D&D. This actually looks pretty cool for that as well. Yeah, SW3D. Want to get a figure of Jabba the Hutt and Princess Leia, and you can paint it. And one we got this Predator and Arnold Schwarzenegger for it. Well, I think this will be it. This is the preview for it, guys. But we'll look at more of the stuff in the following week when more stuff comes out. Letting you guys know. But please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great week. And talk to you guys next time.